Me nah know about anybody else, but me love me dog them. Ah, fuck the thing. Yo, me G, how you do, man? Blessings, man. Me just from round the area. Okay. My best friend gone missing. You ever see him round here, sir?
Let me see. Oh no, I'm not from this area. I just stopped here. Sorry.
Right now, me vex. Alright, me have my number on this. Just link me anytime you see him round here, sir.
Sure.
Hey, take off in the step, alright? Jaja laughs, you steal. Not even a word can express how me feel right now.
I like the reward.
Yes, sir.
It be like I see some dog they walk around the White Gate area. You can check there.
Okay.
But stay strong.
Right, that's all. This not look good. This not look good at all.
I cannot believe my eyes.
Hey.
I cannot believe my eyes.
I'm fucking in that.
Let's call NanaMadeinchina, aka Bombo Marley, has been arrested for the killing of 10 different men after his dog went missing.
Hello, beautiful people. My name is NanaMadeinchina, aka NanaMadeinchina, and today we are here at Ashaiman Tulaku, where 10 dead bodies have been found. Now, when we came, this is the eyewitness. Say hi.
The crime, which resulted in him being held captive in a correctional facility in the heart of Accra, where he will be serving 7 years imprisonment for the mass killing.
But when he was taken into custody, this is what Bombo Marley had to say.
Hey, why you hurt myself? Huh? Don't you fall a prey to Babylon? Prey to Babylon, now that's me. Don't you fall a prey. Black cherry to the world. Allow the youth.
The police must take control.
Me not come to bow, me I come to conquer.
Roger, currently proceeding to the station with the suspect. Any further updates will be channeled to you. Over.
Ladies and gentlemen, with all the news following this death, that was because of a missing dog bingo, we brought to you on the Eyewitness News. Eyewitness, say hi. Bombo Marley, what do you say? Bemi.